So we know something interesting here. That Vidura could have directly gone to meet Krishna. अब ये सब तमाशे के बाद विदुर जी डायरेक्टली कृष्ण को मिलने जा सकते थे द्वारका में. वो तो बहुत भक्त थे, क्यों नहीं गए? इंटरेस्टिंग. क्योंकि वो धृतराष्ट्र और ये दुर्योधन के संग में थे. उनको लगा मैं भी पवित्र नहीं हूँ, थोड़ा तीर्थस्थल जाके शुद्ध हो जाता हूँ फिर जाऊँगा. तो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. He felt he is not qualified, he is not ready now to directly go because he was in such bad company. But you can see even in this difficult situation, he was full of etiquettes. Dhritarashtra, last time we discussed Vaidurikam. We read Vaidurikam last time. But Dhritarashtra was in a great anxiety. He was not getting sleep. That's how it starts. And he calls Vidura, नींद नहीं आ रही. Then Vidura बोलते नींद नहीं आती जब तुम ये सब करते हो. Very frankly. And then it goes on and he gives so many advices, and every advice he says, get rid of Duryodhana. Bhagavatam gives in summary, and there are I think around 500 shlokas in Mahabharata, Vaidurikam, his teachings. Okay. So now after hearing that, Dhritarashtra mind does not change. In fact, Dhritarashtra says there in Vaidurikam, it says that when you say that is very correct. And he's always, Vidura visited the Pandavas after the war. That is discussed in the first canto of Bhagavatam, where he inspired Dhritarashtra again to leave home. So at that time when he lands in the house, Yudhishthira Maharaj says, you protected us just like a shadow of a bird. Like a bird protects the children by the shadow. Because Pandavas had come home after their father died. And Dhritarashtra along with Duryodhana were plotting to get rid of them. And it was Vidura who was giving them the protection like a shadow constantly. Any evidence we have? When they said burn the house of lac, at that time Vidura sent them a message. He came to know. Somehow he came to know there's going to be trouble, they're going to burn the house. And he sent them a riddle. Some riddle is sent. And Yudhishthira understood this house will be burnt. So he constantly protected the Pandavas from the attack of the Kauravas. हमेशा सुरक्षा दिया. इसलिए युधिष्ठिर महाराज जब विदुर आगे जाके पांडवों को मिलने जाते हैं महाभारत युद्ध होने के बाद, युधिष्ठिर महाराज रिसीव्स हिम विद द ब्यूटीफुल श्लोका, तीर्थम कुर्वन्ति तीर्थानि. आप तो तीर्थ बनाते हो, आपको तीर्थ जाने की याद है, आप जहाँ गए वो वही को तीर्थ हो गया. एंड अनदर थिंग इज आपने हमको सुरक्षा दिया जैसे चिड़िया बच्चों को सुरक्षा देती है छाया की तरह, which was very much true. And this is the evidence here. Again he is trying to protect. He is saying don't fight this war. So then after that Duryodhana became very upset when he heard that, and he said what he should not have spoken. Generally he knew Vidura is very respectable. Even though his birth is not so respectable, by his knowledge is very respectable. There is a Chanakya shloka, which famous shloka, it says, Sarvatra pujate vidwan. What is the exact shloka? Is it between a king and a vidwan? Vidwan is more important. Because king is worshipped in a small country and vidwan is worshipped everywhere. What is the shloka? Sarvatra pujate vidwan. Yeah. 3-4 examples are there. He said, but विद्वान को तो पूरा दुनिया में उसकी रेस्पेक्ट होता है. करें राजा को उसके देश में लोग रेस्पेक्ट करेंगे, विद्वान को सब जगह लोग रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं. So Vidura is a vidwan. He is more than, in that way, more than Dhritarashtra. He is very knowledgeable person. And with Dhritarashtra, Duryodhana, because of the bad company of Shakuni and Karna, lost control on himself. And he spoke very harsh word. The son of a kept maid servant, he should be thrown on the street and beaten. इसका डंडे मारा इतने कि इसकी सांस रहे खाली. ये स्पाई है, हमेशा युधिष्ठिर महाराज को क्या कहते हैं, इनकरेज करता रहता है. That's a very difficult condition. We can understand sometimes we also feel like that. We'll envious and jealous of somebody. But actually we do not understand. Everybody is protected by the Lord. ईशावाशमिदं सर्वं यत् किंचित जगत्याम जगत तेन तक्तेन भुंजिता मागृणा kasvidana. Correct? It's like some father is a jeweler. He has 4 sons. The 4 sons open 4 same jewelry 4 shops in the same city. Still there is no need to be envious because everybody is living by अपने कर्म से जी रहे हैं चारों के चारों. अरे नहीं उसकी ज्वेलरी की दुकान है मेरी बंद हो जाएगी. नहीं सब अपने कर्म से जी रहे हैं. There is no need to be किसी से ईर्ष्या करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Do your job, be happy, peaceful. So somehow Duryodhana was feeling उसका जिंदगी में पांडवास आर एन ऑब्स्टिकल. ही वांटेड टू गेट रिड ऑफ देम. दैट इज पैलेस क्षत्रियस नेचर. किसी तरह इसको खत्म करो फिर मैं आराम से जीऊंगा. भगवद गीता ऑल्सो दिस इज अ डेमोनिक मेंटालिटी. इट्स ही वाज माय एनिमी, आई फिनिश्ड, माय रेस्ट ऑफ द एनिमीज आर आल्सो बी फिनिश्ड. है नहीं? देयर इज अ डिवाइन एंड डेमोनिक नेचर में. ऑल माय एनिमीज हैव बीन फिनिश्ड, है ना? एंड हु आर रिमेनिंग विल आल्सो बी फिनिश्ड. I am the supreme, I am the victorious. Typical personification is Duryodhana. Because Pandavas asked, 5 gaon de do bas, 5 gaon. 5 villages he asked. The Yudhishthira through Krishna's final offer from Krishna was 5 villages. And he said, Duryodhana said, I will not give a land to put a needle. What was the reason? He was feeling, if I allow them to somehow live, they will tomorrow attack me. Khatam kar do bas inko. That is very, very demonic mentality. And we can have that unless we have faith that it is Krishna who protects us. You will be always envious and jealous of anybody. In any field. You're a doctor, another doctor comes to the city. Kisi tarah chala jaye. Because we feel that he is challenging my existence. Correct? It can be there in every field. You got the shloka? What is that? Swagrahe pujyate murkaha. Swagrame pujyate prabhuhu. हाँ चलो वन बाय वन. स्वगृह पूज्यते मूर्खा. अब घर में तो गधे की भी पूजा होती है. हाँ चलो नेक्स्ट. प्रभु. आपने गांव में कौन प्रभु मतलब? चलो प्रभु जी. हाँ हाँ चलो प्रभु को आपको गांव में होगी पूजा. हाँ आगे. राजा को पूरे राज्य में पूजा होगी. फिर और विद्वान की जो असली विद्वान है, मतलब असली विद्वान, चाणक्य की डेफिनेशन ऑफ विद्वान, will be respectable everywhere. So nice it is. So स्वगृह पूज्यते मूर्खा. गधे तो घर में भी पूजा हो जाती है. Then स्वग्राह में पूज्यते प्रभु. ठीक है. और कोई पुजारी ले लो अपने गांव में, भटरू है उसकी पूजा हो जाएगी. हाँ. एंड देन राजा हाँ स्वदेश है, उसके देश में राजा की पूजा हो जाएगी. और विद्वान सर्व पूजे. सो ही सेइंग, सो विदुरा इज अ विद्वान. He is more than Dhritarashtra. Duryodhana should not speak words like that. Just because he has power, in the Vedic culture, the highest respect is given to a man in knowledge. Correct? Vidura was just born because of certain curse. He was born as a son of a maidservant. He is Yamaraj. He has to be respected. True? At least by the knowledge he demonstrated, he has to be highly respected. And no, very unfortunate. So today's culture, highest respect is given for third class man who has money. Vedic culture, number one respect is person of knowledge. Therefore Krishna showed. Now it's not seeing that we have knowledge, but Prabhupada did say that all the kings in the world or the governments in the world should consult us. Because we are repeating what Bhagavatam says, they should consult before making decisions. They don't do. They don't consult us, and then they suffer. So today, the highest respect is given a person somehow makes money. Even the so-called politicians, they sit outside his office for hours. I have seen, just to get some donation, election time. Now they will be roaming around. All the so-called politicians, whoever has money, they sit. They say when you have little money, income tax people get interested. When you have more money, underworld gets interested. We have still more money than politicians get interested in you. The 3 levels. You heard like that? It's like that. When a little money, income tax people will get interested. Inquiries will come. Little more money, then underworld will start calling you. We need some hafta. उससे भी ज़्यादा पैसा होगा फिर politician लोगों के phone आ जाते हैं. So joke it is. So Kali Yuga, if you have money somehow or another, you are most respectful. And it's very true. Yes, we have seen in the society. Vedic culture, no. Highest respect if you have knowledge. And we saw Krishna demonstrated that. When Sudama came, he worshipped him. What did Sudama have? not even proper clothes. He was having nothing. Very poor, thin person. Because knowledge. He was actually a genuine Brahmana. Krishna showed by the Vedic culture. He was a king. He got up. He got up from his bed and he put him on his, he was sitting with Rukmani on his, at his home, put him and worshipped him. Showed by his personal example, highest respect. When Narada came to the palace, Krishna got up from his seat and worshipped him. That is Vedic culture. Highest respect is for knowledge. Then the next respect is somebody who is doing good administration, the king, pious king, Rajashi. And the least third respect is somebody who somehow got some money. And then Shudra. In the Vedic culture, when a Gurukula child goes, he had to be trained. And these three people used to be trained. Today, this institute does not exist. Who is going to train Brahmanas? Who is going to train Kshatriyas? Going to train Vaishyas? Correct? We hear so much crimes done by Kshatriyas also sometimes. True? So much crimes done by that. There's no genuine Kshatriyas. No genuine Brahmanas. No Vaishyas. Prabhupada said no head, no arms. At least these two don't exist. Only belly and legs. So what do you expect of the society? And Duryodhana is also behaving like somebody who is not in proper situation, properly situated. So now very interesting thing now coming. So Vidura left the palace. He did not feel upset at all. That shows how a devotee should be totally detached. He just wants to serve Krishna. Just like you see, even Prabhupada was so much eager. His guru was coming in a dream. Take sannyas! Take sannyas! And Prabhupada said, how it is possible? He used to look, my family is there. Not possible. Horrible. What is this dream? And his guru was constantly coming, Prabhupada says in his dreams, take sannyas. Prabhupada later, says in a great humility, I simply wasted time. I could have taken my guru's work early. That is his great humility. But actually, he was totally under the plan of the Lord. And then for various reasons, we can keep meditating. And then what happens, कि जब एक बारी उनके घर में, that famous instance, and house his books were missing. And Prabhupada asked his wife, वो किताबें किधर गई? वो बेच दी मैंने, थोड़ा चाय खरीद लिया. She used to drink tea and actually it was not good. An acharya in the house and she was drinking. Prabhupada used to take pravachan in one room, another room she used to drink tea. It was total revolt. No cooperation at all. So finally Prabhupada one day told, where are the books? So said, and what is most interesting, Prabhupada lost his Gita commentary itself. He had finished the Gita commentary in India. It takes time, to write commentary on Gita. We could never find it again. So Prabhupada lost it and he was very upset. And then the books vanished. The reference books he was using, of the Purvacharya. Some. And those days printing was not like today. Abhi to kya hai? Easily available. It's not so easily available those days. Thoda print hota tha. Correct. Printing to abhi develop hua. So then Prabhupada ji को बहुत गुस्सा है. अपनी बीवी को बोला क्या चाहिए तुम्हें, चाय चाहिए या मैं चाहिए? तो बीवी बोली चाय चाहिए. तुम्हारा क्या करेंगे? You know this? So Prabhupada said, and his wife maybe as a joke said. So Prabhupada anyway ready हो गया, अपना bag package जाते थे. He used to go to Allahabad, he used to go to Bombay. He's traveling, he was having businesses everywhere. So he went and he never came back. Left. So at that time, was he feeling sad? No, he was not feeling sad. He was rather feeling relieved. Chalo bhai, I wanted to do some duty was there. I was taking care, but I was absorbed and ye mission kuch tarah karna hai, I got now. So Vidura also, as a great acharya, as a Yamaraj, one of the Mahajanas, had a great desire. Thoda तीर्थ देख लेते हैं, थोड़ा कृष्ण का दर्शन करते हैं, थोड़ा Actually, he wanted to meet some sages. कहाँ पैलेस में घुटन हो रहा होगा उसको. Actually, if you as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, the more you become serious in Krishna consciousness, your situation when you are among karmis is like a cage में आपको डाल दे और आग में फेंक दे. You can't come out, you can't do anything, you can't. That's how I felt when I worked in Infosys 6 महीना. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं उधर. सारे लड़के लड़कियों की बात कर रहे हैं, सारी लड़कियां लड़कों की बात कर रहे हैं. उधर कर क्या रहा हूँ मैं उधर? It was like so irritating, so bad. Always in the drunk in the evenings. It was terrible. The home I was staying was terrible. All 4 regulated principles are broken there in that house. How can I stay there? And that is, the whole atmosphere is like that. So suffocating, so suffocating. Okay. So that is how it is in this world actually. Asat Sangha Tyaga. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also said, give up the association. But sometimes we are trapped because of duties. Like Vidura was obliged to Dhritarashtra, was obliged to them. He was stuck, but actually उसका मन नहीं था उधर. Correct? He was advising with great strength. धृतराष्ट्र उसको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. कितने बारी समझाया उसको, बेटा छोड़ दे इस बेटे को, छोड़ दो. इस बेटे के चक्कर में पागल हो गया हो तुम. पैदा होते ही बोला था उसको छोड़ दो. पता है जब पैदा हो रहा था धृतराष्ट्र बहुत अपशकुन हुए थे, तभी बोला था छोड़ दे उसको, वो नहीं समझ आया उसको. एंड देन goes on. And then finally again last he's giving advice को छोड़ दो इस बेटे को. He's envious of Krishna, which I read first time. He says the envious of Krishna. He is not respectable because Krishna was very affectionate to the Pandavas, but Duryodhana was envious of the Pandavas, so he is envious of Krishna. What do you say? When you are envious of devotee, you are also envious of the Lord. And definitely when Krishna is staying with the Pandavas, he is also feeling angry. Oh, what is this? Why is he going there by enemies? So finally what happens is that Dhritarashtra does not hear, and Vidura, Duryodhana heard this comment and he became so angry and insulted. Vidura, instead of becoming angry, just walked away. Peace. Now you can understand his mind. Not easy. Same thing for the Goswamis. What is the shloka? They Kaupina Kantasito. What is the shloka? No. Taktva Turnamashesha Mandalapati. Kopina Kantashita. बहुत अच्छा ये Goswamis का आता है अष्टका. Very nice. Glorification of the Goswamis by Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. He says, Taktva Turnam Ashe. Turnam is jaldi, fatafat. Turnam yateta, Turnam, fatafat. Mandalapati. They were living among big people. मतलब जब आप प्राइम मिनिस्टर होते हैं, मिनिस्टर होते हैं, आपका संगत क्या होता है? बड़े बड़े लोग. करेक्ट? बड़े बड़े मिनिस्टर लोग, ये सब सेठ लोग उनको मिलते हैं. सो ही वॉज इन मंडलापति. मंडलापति मीन्स जो हेड है, मंडल के ग्रुप के हेड है. ऑल दिस बिग बिजनेसमैन, बिग पीपल, दे वर लिविंग विद देम. एंड दे लेफ्ट एवरीथिंग एंड केम टू वृंदावन एंड दे वर वेयरिंग langot. Kopi ne kantashito. That's all. They accepted as simple clothing. Vrindavan. So this is also, but Prabhupada says, if such a financial situation generally changes, people die. Prabhupada always takes an example of one very rich lawyer in British times, C.R. Das. So Prabhupada said he got very much influenced by the Gandhian movement, and he also in bhav mein aake usne bhi chhod diya apna practice, because Gandhi said reject. We're not going to cooperate with the British. उसने भी छोड़ दिया. अब उसकी हालत, करोड़पति था वो उसमें का, ऐसी हालत हो गई कि कांग्रेस उसको 500 रुपए को देती थी महीने का. कुछ जिएगा कैसे? वो मर गया कुछ टाइम बाद. So Prabhupada said he could not take the shock. Being a billionaire and becoming a pauper, he could not take the shock. He died. So generally that happens. But nothing like that happened to the Goswamis. They're always roaming in Vrindavan. Where is Krishna? Where are the gopis? Where are the Lalita? Where is Vishaka? They were moving in so much love of Krishna. They were not in sadness. Taktva, what is the full shloka? Taktva turnam ashesha mandalapati. Kopi ne kantasishto. You see, so nice. Tuchhavat. मतलब ये जो मंडलपति का जो था, क्या बकवास. We are so attracted. That's why devotee is totally detached. Even Yudhishthira Maharaj, when he know Krishna has left the world, just walked out of the palace. Not attachment, no attachment. Maybe he is living in comfort, maybe he is living in a palace, but he has no attachment to it. Just left it. Tuchhavat, ye to kuch bhi nahi hai. And they were drinking the lahars, the waves of gopi bhav, of intense love of Krishna, as example given by the gopis. They were constantly magna. Magna means totally absorbed in that. They did not feel any tribulation because he left such an opulent position. Same thing is the situation of Vidura. And Vidura, very interesting thing to continue. He went to the holy places. Prabhupada said we should go to the holy places. And most important, go to the holy place when there is somebody to meet there. Otherwise, it's okay, but not the best. Just simply going. The Bhagavatam says, no. What is that? Even that darshan and bath in kunda, animal can also take. That is not very important. What is more exciting is there is somebody to meet. Isn't it? And then there's no sadhu sangha, sarvasiddhi, lavamatra sadhu sangha, sarvasiddhi. More important is to stay in association of devotees and do devotion service. In my experience, that is much more important. I never feel like abandoning devotion service and going for Tirtha Yatra. That is, in fact, if you see, there is a huge discussion. Nityananda Prabhu used to leave his service in Bengal preaching and come to meet Lord Chaitanya. And there used to be heavy debate. Every time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, "Tum kyun aaye bhai? Tum deliver karo Bengal ko." Nityananda Prabhu ki kripa se hi Bengal mein itne devotees abhi bhi ban rahe hain. He has that seats are still there. Easily they become devotees in Bengal. Because उन्होंने प्रचार किया Nityananda Prabhu ने. And he used to, Chaturmas, 4 months time, he used to come running and stay with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, "Kare, kahan ja rahe? Kahan aate ho udhar? Tum udhar prachar karo udhar." He said, "No, I cannot stay." So both side arguments are there. But generally, as a practice, we do not leave devotion service and go for tea. That doesn't have any meaning. Better always to stay in good association and always to do devotion service. That is always good. And Vidura now, nothing he can do. He wants to therefore now, anyway, Vidura को बहुत घुटन हो रही थी. Palace में सब politics and उसका जन्म भी क्या, there is a confidential reason. Krishna wanted him to preach. Prabhupada says, Vidura इतना busy रहता है, यमराज जी लोगों को punishment करने में इतना busy रहते हैं. कृष्ण से थोड़ा तो प्रचार करो यार, बहुत हो गया. तुमको महाजन बोला है मैंने बहुत जगह, है ना? He is regarded one of the Mahajanas. Bhagavatam, Yamaraj himself is in the 12 people. Yamaraj says 12 Mahajanas. What is the shloka? Swayambhu starts with Swayambhu. Narada, Shambhu. Swayambhu means Brahma. Narada, Shambhu means Lord Shiva. Kumara, Kapila, Manu. Kumaras, Kapila Muni. And Manu, Swayambhu Manu. Correct? Then Swayambhu, Narada, Shambhu, Kumara, Kapila, Manu, Prahlada, Janaka, Bhishma. Prahlad Maharaj, Janak Maharaj, Bhishma. Bali, Vyasaki. Bali, Vyasaki means son of Veda Vyasa, Shukamuni. And Vayam, me, referring to Yamaraj. ये 12 महाजन है. जब महाजन का काम है प्रचार करना, क्या प्रचार, वो तो पनिशमेंट में ही बिजी है बहुत. उसका जैसे डॉक्टर का ऑफिस क्राउडेड होता है, लोग बीमार पड़ते रहते हैं. सेम वे यमराज इज़ वेरी बिजी बिकॉज बहुत भीड़ रहती है, बहुत भीड़. इट्स लाइक बिग क्राउड. वैकुंठ लोक में तो कोई जा ही नहीं रहा, एंड यमलोक में भीड़ लगी हुई है, बहुत काम है उसके पास. सो कृष्णा समटाइम्स फील ही कैन प्रीच, नो, इट इज नॉट ओनली द वर्क. सो ही हैंड्स ओवर टू आर्यमा, is another that is mentioned. He hands him over to another person there, tum karo ye punishment, and he comes down by arrangement of Krishna as a curse to preach. So Vidura also is feeling an urge to preach. वो बहुत टाइम हो गया प्रचार नहीं किया. So first saying, let me get purified, because coming in the city, this company of this sinful people, मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया. So he could have actually, Prabhupada says, very interesting, gone to Krishna, but he said, no, I am not pure. Sitting in company of Duryodhana and Dhritarashtra, मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया. So he goes to holy places, and he goes to meet, finally he meets Maitreya. And he hears him to, the Bhagavatam says, he hears him to full satisfaction. पूरा जब तक दिल तृप्त नहीं हो जाता, सुनता रहता, पूछता रहता, सुनता रहता. And when he's totally satisfied, he takes leave of Maitreya, and then he comes back to home. And that is what Bhagavatam first canto, and he again instructs Dhritarashtra. This time he instructing so powerfully that Dhritarashtra leaves home and attains salvation. Srila Prabhupada ki.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.